Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. This is episode 2 of Changing My Life in 6 Months experiment. For those of you who don't know what this is, please go and watch the first episode so that you know what I'm talking about. This week, I decided to deep clean my house. Not just because I love cleaning, that I do, but I also believe your house or your room is reflection of your life. तो जितना वो नीट और टाइडी रहेगा और ऑर्गेनाइज रहेगा शायद मेरी लाइफ ऑर्गेनाइज होने में मदद हो. मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि माई रूम इज़ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ वॉट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन माई लाइफ. तो एंड लाइक आई मैंशनड इन द फर्स्ट एपिसोड आई वॉज अ वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पर्सन दिस एंड दैट, सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट स्टार्ट विद दैट. This week I also started with maintaining my sleep schedule and trying to understand and figure out that, but it's a simultaneous process, so I will talk about it later once I figured out what works for me. ये अभी तक figure out ही नहीं हुआ है. But this video is going to be about deep cleaning. Now I started one corner at a time क्योंकि इतना टाइम नहीं है कि I can just dedicate all my time to clean my house. It's just not practically possible at the moment. But I have chunks of time here and there, so I started with one corner or the other. And I have to tell you, even 20 minutes a day is a great time. I mean, a great thing to start with. So I started doing that, and I have vlogged all those days. So this video is also a vlog style. So yeah, let's get started. Hi, I look like a mess, and this is day 1, and we are going to change the whole room. So yeah, let's go. This is a quick before of how our room looked like, and then we started rearranging it. We do this every quarter because I think a little change is always good. It makes the room look newer, nicer, and better, and it's fresh. The vibes are great, and both of us luckily like that. So, yeah, dance break. Oh my god, look at all this mess. Which makes me think, मेरे पास कितना सामान है? Oh my god! I mean, ये मेरे अकेले का नहीं है, but still it's too much. But I think the process was fun because I personally like cleaning, so maybe it was better for me. So this is how we rearranged it. Ah, better already. Hi, this is day 2 and hi, hello, say hello to my pimple patches. I don't know why my skin is not skinning. And I look like a mess, but like I said, this series is going to be extremely raw and real. So today I'm going to tackle with this section of my room. So on day 1 I rearranged everything. Now it's not practically possible for me to get everything done in a day or two because I'm also doing few other things. So I have to find little time here and there to do these things. So I'm going to sort this thing out today, and before that let's do my laundry. I just did my laundry yesterday. I'm just supposed to fold my clothes. Wow, what is this frame? I just did my laundry yesterday and I need to fold my clothes. So yeah, let's start. This is a before of what I was dealing with. I know बहुत बिखरा हुआ था. It was crazy. But I am honestly glad that I cleaned everything and organized everything क्योंकि it was high time that I did that. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जब से ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है आई हैव बीन मोर आई डोंट नो मोर प्रोडक्टिव इन अ वे बिकॉज मुझे आई वेक अप इन अ क्लीन रूम, आई स्लीप इन अ क्लीन रूम और मुझे कुछ करने का मन करता है. देन यू नो देर आर लॉट ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज़ दैट आई सी. आई टोटली बी इन माई हेड बट वट एवर इट वर्क्स फॉर मी, सो इट्स ग्रेट. So maybe if you're watching this, this is your sign to organize your desk or your cupboard or your room or whatever, because I really think it really helps. So yeah, see, so much better and organized and clean. Cute. Then next day I started doing some things in the house. So we share this shoe rack, the three of us. We live in an apartment together. So then I cleaned that, some parts of living room. It was so therapeutic and nice. Okay, it's day 4. I don't even remember. And today I am going to clean and organize my cupboard. Very honestly, it's usually never too messy. It's kind of always organized. But let's see if there is anything that I can work with. This is how my cupboard looks like right now. Honestly, it's always इतना तो organize वो हमेशा ही होता है. I have a theory behind it. कभी share करूँगी. This is my jewelry in my Mumbai house. my makeup and skincare, my goggles and everything.
Hello, it's day 5 and today I'm going to clean my digital space. अभी एक दिन में करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है and very honestly I have been doing it छोटा छोटा every day. So yeah, I'm actually very bored and already tired and I have not even sat down for this, but it's too much यार. और मेरा अभी मेल खोलेंगे तो फिर मैं पागल ही हो जाऊँगी. It's crazy insane. So but let's do that. Also, this is not my bed. This is my roommate Rucha's bed, and secretly I like this bed better than I like my bed. It's very weird because she has these two people on her bed. I love them there. It's so nice. Rucha, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry, but yeah, मैं एक भी चांस नहीं छोड़ती हूँ इन लोगों के साथ स्नगल करने का. So okay, I need to get things done. Let's go.
This part was the most difficult. इतने screenshots, videos, photos, वो काम अभी भी चल ही रहा है. And I think it will take me all of this 6 months to get this shit in order, but at least I started it, so yay! Okay, so this week wasn't dramatic or aesthetic or any of that thing. This was slow, it was real. At times it was also a bit boring, even though I really like cleaning, but it was still boring. But I am glad that I did this because this is one step closer to the life that I want to build. Next week I am going to figure out my morning, so I'm going to try out different routines to see what works the best for me. So next week I'll be working on my mornings and simultaneously working on my sleep. So yeah, come, let's do something. Tell me in the comments what you are working on right now, or just join me in this journey maybe. This is just random outro, but you know what I mean. So yes, if you're new, hello. If this is your wife, this is not your wife, but if this is your vibe, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you really soon. मेरी बकवास ही ख़त्म नहीं होती है. Okay, bye.